So this is Form 5 Chapter 3 Integration. So when integrating, we have to know two main rules, which is d over dx, and you have a bracket. That bracket stands for y, and that is basically equal to dy over dx. And another rule is that we have to know integration is the literal opposite of differentiation. So if we differentiate y to get dy dx, this means that if we integrate y, we can get so this means that if we integrate dy over dx, we can get back y. So based on this question, it just wants us to master these two concepts, and we can already put into equations. So in this case, they want us to find 3 upper boundary and lower boundary 0 hx dx. So because we've already have the integration for 5 minus hx, which is equal to x minus 3 bracket 2 minus 3x power of cube. So if we pindahkan all of those other things and make hx the subject, we can find our upper boundary 3, lower boundary 0, hx dx. So we also have to memorize some of the integration rules. Is that when we have an integration such as 5 minus hx or y minus x, we can split it into two parts. So now all we have to do is just carefully make sure that all the symbols that we changed are correct, because you see the subject before was negative hx dx, not hx dx. So be alert and cautious with that, and make sure to change every symbol correctly, because that will affect your final answer. Okay, now all we have to do is just substitute the values into our respective x. Okay, so next question. So they just basically want us to integrate the equation y from the x-axis, and our lower boundary would be negative h to 0, because the area of the shaded region, which is that, is equal to 20 over 3. So when we integrate that part, we get h. So first of all, make sure when you have the equation y, please expand it if you can. So expand it, and then you integrate it. And when you integrate it, be careful with factors like an unknown, so that the power, when you multiply h1 times h2, you get h cubed. So be cautious around that, and as well as other factors like negative and positive symbols, because it can really affect your final answer. So if you're unconfident, if you can't click the calculator, be sure to press it and not feel confident even if your answer seems right, because it doesn't necessarily mean it is.